Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Makartt video. This is their January Nail Lab collab with Natali Carmona. I am showing you what comes in the kit or in the box. You get a 50 milliliter poly gel, 2 gel polishes, you get some extra long ballerina tips, 2 acrylics, an acrylic brush, and you also get some rhinestones. So this is everything that comes in the Luxe box for January. And again, this is a collab with Natali Carmona. These are the 2 gel polish colors in Sprinkles and Ginger. Ginger is the tan color, Sprinkles is the pink. And the poly gel is called Siesta. And again, that's a 50 milliliter. And the 2 acrylics are Pinky Promise, which is the pink, and Show Off, which is the tan. So I am just going to play with this acrylic, see how I like it. So I'm going to try and do some acrylic press-ons. So I don't want to do too thick of a layer. I'm using these full coverage tips from Eden's Rose Co. Everything that I'm using or talk about will be linked in the description box below. If I have discount codes, those will be alongside the links. So definitely check out the description box of this video. The monomer I'm using to play with this acrylic, I'm also using Eden's Rose monomer as well. And you guys have seen me talk about this monomer before. It is one of my favorites. Definitely check out my monomer 101 video where I review a lot of different monomers. I will link that in the cards above. So again, the monomer I'm using is from Eden's Rose, and these nail tips are also from Eden's Rose. These are full coverage stiletto tips. So my initial thoughts of this acrylic is it's a little bit on the runnier side, so you're gonna have to work a little bit drier with this acrylic. And I do like it. Once I kind of figured out the ratios, I was able to blend my beads. So I typically work with multiple beads. You guys have seen my acrylics before, my acrylic videos before. So I did like this because I was able to blend each bead without having a line of demarcation. So work a little bit drier. When you're using multiple beads, you are able to blend. So far so good. I do like this acrylic. It did take me a couple of nails to really get my liquid to powder ratio better, but it is something I do have to work with a little bit more. And the thing about acrylic is each brand kind of has a different formula, and monomers each have a different formula. So depending on the monomer that you work with, your first nail or your first few beads, you know, definitely do tester beads and kind of gauge how you want to go about working with the acrylic, which is going to be best for you. I did not have a lot of waste with this product. I'm not sure if you guys saw my acrylics video. I will link that in the cards above as well. That acrylic was a little bit different. It's more like a putty acrylic. So in playing with working with that, I did have a lot of waste of monomer, and I did waste a lot of acrylic on my towel. And that was through my swatches and then through the set of nails that I did. So I didn't have that problem here. Now I'm just going to go in and just play with the rhinestones and just play with a couple of different design options. And you guys know I've been working on my crystal placement. Well, you guys know I've been working on everything. So nothing really notable about the rhinestones, just your typical rhinestones that you can get. And the glue that I'm using is from Nuni Torres. I know that he recently changed his name, the name of his website and the name of his products, and no disrespect, but at the time of doing my voiceover, I really didn't think about the name change. I think it's Giovanni Hernandez. So if I'm getting that wrong, that's definitely not a disrespect thing. I will link the gel adhesive. What is this? Rhinestone gel. I will link that in the cards below with the proper name of his new rebrand. And this does need to be cured in your lamp, in your UV LED lamp. And I do like the application on this gel glue because you do have the liner brush, so I did like that a lot. I received this a while ago. I don't remember. I did do an order from him a while ago, and I did receive this a while ago. So I have been reaching for this glue lately in the nail set that I did on myself, which I didn't film, but that picture will be up on Instagram. So I have been reaching for this, and I have multiple products that I like, but because I do reviews, I can't always just stick with the same product. I have to try new products. But I did like this gel as well. So that's pretty much it. I want to know what you guys think about my press-ons. I totally forgot to size the thumb because I don't know why every time you buy nail tips, the thumb's always longer. So I literally skipped that step. So that's why the thumb's a little bit longer. But I just wanted to play with making some press-ons, wink, wink. Just, kind of to see how an acrylic press-on would be, how much acrylic you would use. But definitely keep an eye out as far as press-ons and Loved by Verdie goes. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like I said, this is a really quick video. I just really wanted to show everyone what's in the kit. Well, in the box, in the Your Nail Lab January box, collab with Natali Carmona. And then I was so excited. I couldn't wait to get this and play with their acrylics. I did forget to mention the acrylic brush that comes with the box is a size 12. In my opinion, it's a smaller size 12. Like I feel like it's more like a size 8 or like a small size 10. But they label it as a size 12, so I think their sizing is a little bit smaller. Brush sizing isn't really universal like that, where every 12 is the same size, so I just wanted to throw that out there. And the brush does not come crimped, so you're going to have to crimp the brush as well if you prefer to work with a crimped brush. And the top coat I'm using is by Makartt as well, so I'm just making sure not to go over the rhinestones with the top coat, so I'm just going around that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm super excited to see what more acrylic they come out with. They've been mostly polygel and gel polish, so this acrylic launch is huge. I literally can't wait to see like all the different colors they come out with. So yeah, definitely I will leave the link for this box in the description below and the link for everything in the description below. And I will see you guys all soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching.